This exercise will help you review education-related vocabulary. You'll hear a variety of phrases in English to interpret into your LOTE language. A vocabulary sheet with key terms for this topic is available in the description below. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel.
Hi there, I just need to confirm a few details for your child's kindergarten enrollment. Do you have the immunization record, and has the enrollment form been filled out completely?
We've been focusing on play-based learning this term, and your daughter has really responded well. She's learning to share, follow instructions, and express herself more clearly.
Your child's report shows excellent progress in literacy, but he's still developing his numeracy skills. We'll send home some extra worksheets for you to work on together.
Please make sure your child wears their full school uniform and brings a packed lunch on Friday. We are going on an excursion to the museum, and the bus will leave at 9 a.m. sharp.
After reviewing your son's assessments, we're recommending he receive learning support next term. A support officer will work with him in class 3 times a week.
We've had a few incidents in the classroom this week involving disruptive behavior. I'd appreciate it if you could talk to your child about listening and respecting others.
Your daughter has been offered a place at a high school starting in Year 7. Orientation Day is on 1st December, and it's a great opportunity to meet teachers and classmates.
Just to clarify, our Catholic school does charge fees, and religious education is part of the curriculum. We also ask that students attend regular Mass and participate in religious events.
In the Australian system, a C grade means your child is meeting the expected standard. It's not a failure, it just means there's room to grow.
We have a range of vocational courses starting next month, including aged care, carpentry, and hospitality. You don't need an ATAR, just a desire to learn and a good attitude.
If you've worked in the field before or studied overseas, you may be eligible for recognition of prior learning. This could shorten the length of your course and reduce your fees.
Your child will attend English as an additional language classes twice a week. These sessions focus on vocabulary, speaking, and comprehension, and are integrated into their normal school schedule.
We've noticed that your child has had more than 5 unexplained absences this term. It's important that we work together to improve attendance and avoid falling behind.
Congratulations on finishing your degree. The graduation ceremony will take place at the main hall on the 18th of March. Gowns and tickets will be available through the student portal.
We're referring your child to an educational psychologist for further assessment. This doesn't mean there's a diagnosis, it just helps us understand their learning needs better.
Since classes are now online, you'll need to log into the student portal each morning. Lessons are live via Zoom, and attendance is still being marked daily.
As a mature-age student, you can choose to study part-time or full-time. Keep in mind that part-time study may affect your Centrelink payments and extend your course duration.